Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can enable power button to work for switch off on your phone Vivo V23. If power button is not working for switch off your phone, you need to change some settings in your phone. Go to the settings of your phone here and click on shortcuts and accessibility. Now click on press and hold power button option here and click here. You have to change it to first option. So now click OK and long press the power button and you will have the switch off option. So in this way you can make it power button to work for switch off your phone in Vivo V23. I switch off now and yes, my phone is now switched off. So in this way you can make it power button to work for switch off. That's all friends. Bye.